It almost sounds too easy. Will I need special tools? And are you telling me there will be no problems?
We aim to provide the easiest to erect building on the market. It's our project support team that sets us apart from other steel building companies. We're committed to ensuring that you're able to overcome obstacles easily and within your budget. From shipping to weather to permits to the erection, Armstrong Steel is your experienced and qualified partner. There are rarely special tools you'll need to get the job done. In fact, most structures simply require the tools you'll find in a standard toolkit. You probably have a handy neighbor or coworker who has some building ability. The truth is, you don't need to be a construction expert. You just need to be able to read and follow simple instructions. For more information, please call Armstrong Steel Building Systems to speak to a building expert.